I'm Bill Skripchek, president of Waverider Trading Technologies. The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs, alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips, catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live on our Slack channel, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join the trade faction. And now on with the show.
So let's start with the charts today. This is the Euro Canadian dollar. We are in an uptrend. We are still very overbought. The wave is in a long phase, so we're looking for longs. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything. It's not in the sweet spot. I've had such good results when I pick the moves in the sweet spot that I'm not going to jinx myself and try doing hinky stuff. All right, here's pound Canadian dollar. This one also very strong up move. Uptrend. This is in a long wave phase, so we're looking for longs. Very overextended. We have the hyperextension warning here. This was the one that I was thinking about going short on because I was getting so many sweet spot signals up here.
Yep.
And as you can see, none of those have worked. So I'm glad I didn't. So this, I still have not figured out a good software methodology for when a instrument is overextended. So I'm going to have to do some more calculus and see if I can come up with an equation that works on that, because the one I have does not. Anyway, here is the New Zealand US dollar, and this one is not in the sweet spot, so we're not even going to talk about it. Here's one that I'm in, which is the Singapore dollar and Swissy franc. This was actually just in the green a second ago, but trend to the downside, short wave phase, sweet spot. That's why I got in, targeting this algo trigger down here. So if it's like the last few that I've had, it should work out nicely. This one I'm keeping an eye on. This is in the zone. Okay. In an uptrend with a long wave phase. So I'm waiting for a bullish sweet spot to form there before I would take this trade. So as soon as I see that thing form, I will go long on this one if it ever forms. This one also I am in short. This one is in the zone, trending downward. Short wave phase, so we're looking for shorts. And right now we're not in the green, but I'm sure we will be shortly because we just were before I started this video. All right, as far as news is concerned today, not much. Nothing of any importance. We have some non-farm productivity report and labor cost reports at 7:30. Oh, that already happened. Never mind. So the next thing is at 3:45, a manufacturing sales report from New Zealand, and then some PPI numbers and manufacturing numbers from Japan at 5:50 tonight. So I don't think any of those are going to affect my trades, so I'm not even going to worry about that. On to today's interesting tidbit. I don't know what to call these. I'll have to come up with a clever name. So across the popular generations, millennials, boomers, that kind of shit.
Yeah.
What do you think the adoption or the use of artificial intelligence is as a percentage? What would you guess, Dave?
I'm going to inverse. I don't think people trust AI. I'll go with the younger people. As you get younger, people don't like the AI.
Okay.
I don't know why. There's no rhyme or reason to it.
All right.
I'll say old people are like, oh, they're fascinated by it.
So they would have a high adoption of it.
I think they're like more happy with the adoption of AI.
Interesting. All right, you want to know
Probably exactly the opposite, but I just have that feeling. So go ahead.
Okay, so this was a study done by Microsoft in 2024, Work Trend Index Report. Boomers, 73% of them have adopted and are actively using AI tools. Gen X, 76% of them, same
Really?
thing. Millennials, 78%. And Gen Z, 85%. So yes, it was exactly the opposite of what you thought.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
I thought that was interesting that so many people have started to use it, mostly to reduce their meticulous tasks, they say. And I would concur with that because I use AI to do all the grunt work and coding, like comment all this shit so I know what I did. Or write a for loop to do this or something. This is really simple shit I don't want to waste time doing. That's all that's on the agenda for today. So we'll just keep an eye on that one USD CAD and
Okay.
hope she does what we want her to do.